What's going on with YouTube? It's your boy 345 Germans. Our boys can't see. We start the video off making our way in the AutoZone because what we're doing in today's video is we're gonna be cleaning our engine bay finally for the first time, y'all. So y'all know my intake is dirty, my oil breather is dirty, so I said why not just go ahead and clean the whole engine bay because it have a little bit of salt in the engine bay from me not having my rivets for my hood. So we're about to just go ahead and grab us another oil breather. Oh, this one look way better, y'all. That one look way better than the one I got. See, this the K&N cleaner, but I don't know if we want the K&N cleaner one, y'all. But y'all, the engine bay is dirty as hell, so we said why not just go ahead and clean the whole engine bay today. So that's what we're doing in today's video. So we about to go ahead and find us another kit real quick. I could grab a different color oil breather. That's the red one that's on the 345 right now as we speak, y'all. Literally, this the red one. The filter is red on the intake, so I wanted to grab this blue one, but the filter not blue. So I don't know if I'm gonna grab black, but I don't know, y'all. Just give me 1 second. Let me see which of these filter oils is like the best. Like this, the spray oil right here, and then it's the cleaner. I guess we might have to grab that one though, y'all. We gonna see. Y'all boys see anything? Do y'all see anything that I missed? What y'all see, man? I think we might be grabbing these two right here. This and this. I'm gonna hold on to these two real quick, y'all. And then I actually might have to grab another one of those, y'all. Not gonna lie. Because mine's is acting so weird on the 345, y'all. Did y'all not see in the last video where it kept like moving and bending by itself? So we will be having to grab another one of those, you feel me? Y'all boys see anything that y'all think the boys should grab? They got a little foam cannon right there, y'all. I don't know if that's a good one though. It's $50. I could probably grab a cheaper one from Amazon too, not gonna lie. But I don't see they cleaning kits. Let's go ahead with what we got, and then let's go ahead and make our way to the second store. Welcome back, YouTube. 7 days straight. I just wanted y'all boys to hear the 345 crank up. But what we doing in today's video is, man, let me go to the side of the car because we got it in this side of the car. We need to go inside and we need to grab our cleaning product that we just picked up yesterday from yesterday's video. Our engine bay finally for the 345, y'all. It's finally back, y'all. I don't know why I chose to do it so late at night, but we got our air intake cleaner, y'all. This is what we needed. And we got our bucket of water because when we take out our intake filter, that's where we gotta sit. Ooh, on the camera, that shit look dirty, y'all. Let me change this bucket of water. I can see little floaties and shit, y'all. I'm gonna change this water out just so I don't have my intake still dirty. But we're gonna be cleaning out the engine bay today, y'all. So I'm gonna get like an old toothbrush to scrub little spots that got stains in it and stuff like that. Don't get on me in the chat, but I got some all-purpose cleaner and degreaser real quick. I'm gonna use this. Get little tight spots with a little toothbrush. Then I'm gonna find like a little brush, scrub down the spots I need. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. We gotta go ahead and pop our hood. Then we gotta grab our tools that we need. Tight space, y'all, to work with right now. Trunk actually look back fucked up, y'all, and I just did a whole video on organizing it, so I'm gonna be fixing this, probably this video too, why not, you know? All right, y'all, so we got the hood open, y'all. So now as y'all can see, we got our engine bay. It is real dirty, y'all, so we need the screwdriver. We're gonna take this panel out right here, clean this panel. We're gonna take our intake out, y'all, and clean the intake. We're gonna try to scrub little stuff like that right there, stuff like up there. I ain't gonna really say I'm too worried about the hood, mainly so the engine bay. I'm gonna clean my half covers. I'm gonna clean this little tubing off, I guess, a little bit. Same with this. the top of this sitting over there. So I'm gonna just get the visible stuff that y'all can see. If I don't know. I'm gonna see what I can use to get the actual block clean and stuff like that, y'all. If I actually got time and energy, I might go ahead and do all this, like the top of this. We gonna see, y'all. I'm about to see what type of mode I get into real quick, but I gotta scoot my car back just a little bit so I can have a little more clearance to work with. Y'all, so we also just got me a rag for little spots that got a little excess soap and stuff. When I am scrubbing and stuff like that, I can just dry wipe it. But I need to scoot the car back. I got everything I needed. I got my little toothbrush, y'all. I got this. The little cleaning solution I'm gonna use a little bit of this, and I got some soap and water to just scrub the dirt off and little salt, stuff like that. And I'm gonna use the rag when I need to use the rag. But let me go ahead and start unscrewing my intake and my panels right here, and took off my half covers. So I can actually take these off right now for y'all. So starting with taking off the half covers real quick. It's been a minute since we took these off my baby. So I'm gonna just set this in my room right there. Then bring to the side. Take this one off right here. Put this one right here. And boom. Now we got us a normal block for the 345. It look a little dirty up under here. I didn't realize it was, not realize, but didn't think it was gonna be this dirty. So let's go ahead and start by moving the car back a little bit, because we got a lot of stuff to do, y'all. Didn't move the car back because I'm about to have my brother get behind me and guide me back, just so I don't scoot too far back because my camera is dirty. But starting off by taking it out on this side. I'm gonna actually sit this in the same spot I just sat this as well too, y'all. Now let's walk around and do the same with that side real quick. Right, made it to this side of the 345, taking out our 3 screws. Starting with the first one. So yeah, a little closer. This one already out, so now we got just this one. And boom. Let me screw it up, put it in my pocket. And boom, we got this side out just like that. Sit that about there. So this is all dirty up under here as well too, y'all. So we're gonna be cleaning my baby, you feel me? We're gonna make sure we get it right. Let's go ahead and start working on the stuff that we took out so far. Then when we're done with that, we're gonna come back and start with our intake next. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and I really should just go ahead and use the rag for real, y'all, for this, and then just wipe it down. But it's a couple of spots that need scrubbed. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and speed run through this. Grab the rag, dip it in the water. It ain't as dirty as it seems, y'all. So we should be able to do this. And then I actually got the whole spray bottle. So I don't know how the hell I'm about to keep this in place. I guess I'm gonna try to give it some pressure. Like shit like that. Like, what the fuck is that? Keep it in place, y'all. I got this shit on my knee and shit. Hold on. We gonna keep her down. Pin down for now. And that's pretty much the first one done. We ain't really doing it too crazy, y'all. I'm not no professional detailer. That's as good as I need it for real. So let's start with this. And we can go ahead and get to the engine bay, because I did scoot the car back so I can't see. So I got space now. So y'all, like I said, stuff that I can't. Let me take this fuse box off too. Clean the top of the fuse box. Fuck it. Half cover. Ooh, look at how this shit looking. I sprayed some spray on it, y'all. Just let it sit on there for a couple seconds. But I do need 2 hands, y'all. So I'm gonna be putting the camera down a couple of times, just to do it. Unless I find like a stand real quick. So let me see if I can go find a stand for y'all. If I can't, I'm gonna just keep holding my hand and updating y'all as time pass, so I can actually clean, because I need 2 hands. Want to keep it still, and then want to actually scrub, y'all. So let's go ahead and try to do what we actually can. But I'm gonna keep updating y'all like I said. I'm not gonna not show y'all the video, you feel me? Got the half covered looking clean, y'all. Look how clean she looking. Then we got the top of the fuse box looking glass. These are next two we about to hit real quick, and then when we done with this, we're gonna hurry up, get our intake, so then we can do everything else on the engine bay. We just wanted to get all the stuff that really needed to sit outside and stuff like that, y'all. Just show y'all on this one real quick too, might as well. I just went ahead and sprayed it all down. I hope this don't start ripping my BBK sticker. If it do, it's all right, because I have 2 stickers, I think, on the engine bay. But just spraying them all down real quick, let it sit real quick, get our solution, and we're gonna get to wiping. So as I can see, the look of it now, it's all cleaned up and stuff, you know. This is all the panels that we took off so far, y'all. We gotta put these back and let them dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on because this is pretty much dried already. But let me go ahead and start by taking the intake out, because we gotta let it dry, y'all, and I gotta actually sit out and dry before we put it back and put it in the car. So we gotta hurry up and get that done. All right, making our way inside the toolbox, y'all. I believe I need the 8mm or the 10, and I know the 10 is in my front seat, so let me grab that on my front seat real quick. My toolbox actually look a mess. Let me see if this works real quick. It's definitely the 10, y'all, so let me grab the 10 real quick. Y'all, also is code in the garage, so I'm gonna make this fast, but y'all see we're gonna loosen this up right here, and we're gonna take out the tubing right here because we're gonna clean this right here. I'm actually gonna leave this dirty. I'm gonna just wipe the outside of it. I really don't care for that. I really want this and the filter cleaned itself, so taking that out real quick. Come on, come on, come on. I'll get you out of here. Well, we got the whole thing off instead, so I'm gonna just tighten this back up, y'all, then just loosen this up so I can just take the filter off, because that's only held in by a flat head. So let me hurry up and do that, because it is indeed getting cold out here, y'all. So I might not finish all of this tonight. I might finish some of it tomorrow. So depending on how we get this all done in the amount of time, you're gonna see. All right, y'all, we finally got my intake all loosened up and taken out. Look at the little line of dirt. Look at the difference of how clean it was before compared to how it is now, y'all. Y'all can see that, so I want to go ahead and clean that. But this is loose. I should be able to, yeah, wiggle it out now. Like that. So I can see it is dirty. Look at the color difference of this. Like, oh my gosh. This is the bottom side of it, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and get this back right. I don't know what color filter color oil it is, if that makes sense. Let me go ahead and pull it out real quick and show y'all. So we have this right here. So let's go ahead and see.